You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? In British English, this word is pronounced as threatened, threatened, threatened. Now in American English it's rather pronounced as threatened, with the air going through your nose. Threatened, so you stop the flow of the air through your mouth and push it into your nose. Threatened in American English, or more simply, threatened in British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.